Hi, I'm Bo Freeze.
This is Cole Dahl, and we're talking about Weebly and e-commerce.
So first, just a few basics about Weebly. It was released on March 29th, 2006, and its headquarters are based out of San Francisco, California. Their founders include David Rusenko, Dan Beltry, and Chris Fanini. Weebly is an e-commerce based service, and it helps people to create their own online business. It is considered a service-based business because the revenue is based on how many people they offer their service to. Uh, Weebly is very easy to create a website because it is fast, effective, and very accessible for people.
Weebly makes it easier for users to build their own site for which they can conduct their own transactions. And just like online shopping and e-commerce have grown with technology, Weebly has also grown and become popular. It is an easy site for beginners to use and offers different monthly rates for plans. There's the free and basic, and there's a starter for personal use, and pro for group use, and business.
How to set up your Weebly account. Weebly has multiple sources and links to help you set up your account. It takes no more than 20 minutes, and because of this convenience and how easy it is, over 40 million entrepreneurs use Weebly today. It also allows you to choose your plan. So the plans range in price based on what you want, if you're looking for a business, group, or just a simple business plan. And then it also offers alternate features such as mobile apps and different templates for you to use to make it more convenient for yourself.
And now we will take you to our website that we created.